Struggling to manage your finances? Feeling like you're living paycheck to paycheck with nothing left over at the end of the month? You're not alone. Millions and millions of people struggle with budgeting and managing their money, but it doesn't have to be that way. I put these videos together so you don't have to. Just listen and gain a surplus of knowledge. In this video, I'm going to show everyone step by step how to create a very simple budget plan that actually works, so you can finally start making your money work for you. Budgeting might seem like a chore, but trust me, it's the foundation of building a strong financial future. Think of it like this. Without a budget, it's like driving with your eyes closed. You might be moving, but you can't see ahead, and you will eventually hit something. A budget gives you a clear roadmap of your income and expenses. Grab the wheel, open your eyes, track your spending, identify areas where you can save, make informed financial decisions, and steer clear of unnecessary roadblocks. It's about taking control of your money, rather than letting it control you. Subscribe for more videos. We focus on providing valuable, practical, and interesting information that can improve your life. The first step to getting a grip on your finances is to track your spending. And I mean everything. That daily coffee, those impulse buys online, even that dollar you spend on gum, it all adds up. Luckily, tracking your expenses is easier than ever these days. You can use budgeting apps like Mint, Personal Capital, or EveryDollar. These apps connect to your bank accounts and credit cards, automatically categorizing your transactions and giving you a real-time snapshot of your spending habits. Or, if you prefer a more hands-on approach, you can use a simple spreadsheet or even a pen and paper to track your expenses manually. Having clear goals in mind will not only motivate you to stick to your budget, but also give you a sense of purpose in your financial journey. Your goals can be short-term, like saving for a down payment on a car or paying off a credit card, or they can be long-term, like investing for retirement or buying your dream home. Whatever your goals may be, make sure they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. There are many different budgeting methods out there, but one popular approach is the 50-30-20 rule. This rule suggests allocating 50% of your after-tax income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Needs are your essential expenses like housing, groceries, and transportation. Wants are non-essential expenses like dining out, entertainment, and travel, and savings and debt repayment include contributions to your retirement accounts, emergency fund, and paying down any outstanding debts. Life is unpredictable, and your income and expenses can fluctuate from month to month. So it's crucial to review your budget at least once a month, see what's working, and make adjustments as needed. If you overspent in one category, don't beat yourself up. Analyze why it happened and see if you can make changes to prevent it from happening again. Budgeting is a continuous process, not a one-time event. Start by tracking your expenses. Set clear financial goals, create a budget plan, and review it regularly.